Hello, today's number 18, and I'm going to start today with a time lapse. I put up there when I got there and used a different phone, so I was able to be up there for several hours working on other things and letting this phone just take pictures, and that's what it did. You can see Jaime every once in a while gets out and he goes to that post on the right there, where he has the angle that he wants. And then he looks at the wall and compares it to that angle. It's pretty much on the money. And he taps those things until he's happy. Amazing. Oh, there I went with a load of firewood. Okay, then I got out the drone. He had to wait for quite a while for the truck to bring rocks at the end of the day. I guess there were probably other trucks in queue, and so I ended up talking with him probably for 30 minutes or more. I had a good chat. Very friendly. And he does some odd jobs while he's waiting, but sooner or later he just stops and has to wait for the trucker to get there. Maybe I'll put up a picture that I took with him and send it to the engineer while we were talking. Okay. He's almost finished with that wall. He'll definitely finish tomorrow. He lost a fair bit of time today because the truck didn't come, and probably lost an entire trip of rock. Look at that wall. Isn't that good? So now I go up to check out that trench. So they're going to do a diagonal trench from the right to the left of that field at the very end, and it'll cross right at the bottom of this rock, this trench here, the rock with that special, it's not plastic, it's a fabric that doesn't allow the dirt to go down, but the rain can. And this will lead into the other diagonal trench and take the water off to the side, so that should be the solution. And then here I just sped it up a little bit to not take so much time. There you can see I'm taking another load of the firewood from that tree, and then I end it by going and letting you see him work with this rock from this angle. I remember it fell on him. Yeah, there it fell on him. So I don't know if he used the same side. He figures out which side he wants to be on the front, and he puts it in there the way he wants it. That is such a huge rock. Well, you can see how big the bucket is just by comparing it with his body. He could fit in the bucket. Okay. Let me see here what he does. I'm not sure. Maybe I just go away and maybe nudging it a little bit more, giving it the angle he wants. I don't remember what I did at this point. I think I just fly off now. You can see though. Oh, there he's still bumped. He's still putting it in where he wants it. Yeah, now he's going to go check it with his pole. There There's his pole. I can't remember if he's happy with it now or he taps it some more, but I think I take off. Yeah. Okay, well, didn't rain on us today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, which he says is good for the land, but not good for him, because it makes his work a lot harder. Okay, that's it for today. And there it is. Oh yes, notice in this picture, back in March, how much greener it was before our extremely dry summer. But notice the difference in the scar right there. You can tell he's done some work. Bye.